I'm going to teach you a time step break. Now, there are a lot of different time step breaks out there, and you can even make up your own. It doesn't have to be what we're doing. But for this set, this is the break I like to do with it. And what do we mean when we say break? So a break is usually a transition, sometimes in the middle, sometimes it's a transition where you're finishing, and it's usually a change in the rhythm pattern. You are breaking away from the rhythm pattern you've established during this phrase of music and doing something a little bit different. So the break we're going to use, it's going to be a triple break. We did 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples. We're going to continue with that triple feel, and you're going to start like you're going to do another triple. So you're going to do shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, but then it's going to change. You're going to do a shuffle step on the left foot. You're going to do a crossover shuffle with the right foot, a hop or heel drop, and a flat ball change. So all together, it's going to be shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flat ball change. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, shuffle, hop, flat ball change. Now, if you are doing that little diagonal twist that I've been doing, you're going to start sort of diagonally on this side. And on that step, that's when you want to think face front, shuffle step, crossover shuffle hop, flat ball change. And that flat ball change is going to travel a little bit on a diagonal. All right, here we go again. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flat ball change. Again, 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flat ball change. One more time. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flat ball change. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flat ball change. One more time. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop,